What's up, everybody? This is Wolfman Coca-Cola channel, and today is the 30th year anniversary of New Coke's release. So, I have here a bottle of New Coke. And of course, it says here, introduced in May 1985. It's actually April 23rd, which is today. Anyways, long story short, I did promise you guys I'm going to drink this. And I'm going to do that right now. Oh, wrong way. Damn. I rarely use this damn thing. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, there it goes. It smells like Snapple. You know, just to be in the safe side, I'm just gonna go ahead and just wipe it off real quick for the napkin. Okay. All right. Celebrating 30 years. Remember, guys, Coke is it. I'm a little nervous. Let's do this. Tastes like Snapple. Yeah, what the hell? All gone. Actually, it was a lot better than I expected, to tell you the truth. So, let's go and see what happens after 5 minutes.